सभी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, सभी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं। क्यों, ये बार बार नहीं पूछूंगा, क्योंकि आप सभी को ऐसा लगता है कि इंग्लिश बोलने से आपकी पर्सनैलिटी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी। अब इम्प्रूव कैसे हो जाएगी? पर्सनैलिटी इम्प्रूव का मतलब होता है पर्सनैलिटी में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाएगा और आपका आत्मविश्वास भी आपके व्यक्तित्व का एक हिस्सा है। अगर आप अपनी बात को ठीक ठीक नहीं कह पाते हैं किसी से, इसका मतलब भी तो कहीं ना कहीं कोई कमी है हमारे अंदर। अगर आप अपनी बात को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाते हैं, अपनी बात किसी को मना नहीं पाते हैं, किसी को कन्वेंस नहीं कर पाते हैं, किसी को इम्प्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, किसी को अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, ठीक है ना, और खुद के लिए जगह नहीं बना पाते हैं, कोई नौकरी क्रैक नहीं कर पाते हैं, या मान लो कोई हम इंटरव्यू फेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, या इंटरव्यू फेस करने के बाद क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं इट इज़ द लैक ऑफ अवर पर्सनैलिटी, इट कॉज ऑफ अवर पुअर पर्सनैलिटी। दैट पर्सनैलिटी कैन बी इम्प्रूव बाय द नॉलेज, बाय कॉन्फिडेंस। ओके, लैंग्वेज इज द पार्ट ऑफ नॉलेज। लैंग्वेज भी एक प्रकार से ज्ञान का ही हिस्सा है, बिकॉज we have the mastery in the language which is generally spoken by the people. We have the mastery in our own mother language. We must have the mastery in secondary English speaking. Okay, we must have the mastery because our national and multinational companies work is done by the English language. English language is working like a linking language. So it's our responsibility to have a perfection in this language, to be perfect in this language. It's our responsibility, it's our privilege, it's our duty. Okay, each and everyone must be ready for that. Then it happens, we all read English subject in school. Even then we are poor in English, even then we are not able to speak fluent English. Why? Because we learn subject in English language, we learn accident stories, we don't learn language. In language class we learn stories but we don't learn language. It doesn't mean that we don't learn language, we learn language but not completely, but not properly. To learn proper language we must have a separate class for language, like spoken English class. Same thing, when you want mastery in Hindi language you must have a separate class for Hindi. But when you go to learn Hindi, then people start laughing on you. Oh my God, you are going to learn Hindi. What a man, you are living in Hindustan and going to coaching for Hindi. But in reality, we people are very misguided. Neither we speak English properly nor Hindi. Am I right? Neither we speak Hindi nor English properly. We use mixed language. That is the biggest problem. Hindi is the pride of our nation. So as a pride of nation, we should have a proper knowledge of Hindi. English, secondary language. It's not a pride of nation, but it is necessary for job. English is a troubleshooting language. This time you people are not confined to India only. Your vision to go outside of the country. Am I right? Some of you want to go outside, some of you want job outside country, some of you want to start your own business. For that you have a mastery, because when you will start your own business you will have no foundation to recruit only Hindi speaking employee in your company. Understand? Your company will allow all of those candidates they are interested to work in your company. That language will not be the foundation for them. Okay, language is not foundation anywhere, but when you go for the interview in any multinational company where interviewer and all staff speak English, how can you adjust with them? You feel suffer insult, you feel insult, or sometimes you will be insulted by them. Okay, because of your drawback of the language. So each and everyone wants to learn English. For speaking English you should have the confidence first and try to speak. If you have no partner, talk to yourself. Understand? Talk to yourself that I am standing here today, that I am talking to myself. Oh my God, it is very hot today. Oh, my hand is being black because of the hot. Tomorrow I will not go outside in sunlight. But how can I stay at home? Because I have to go sometime. I have some work. I have to buy something from the market. I have to go there. Okay. How can I stay all the time at home? If I stay all the time, I get bored. So sometime for refreshment of the mind, I go outside. So I am talking to myself. Okay. I use mobile very much. I advise everyone not to use mobile, but I use mobile. I use mobile very much. ठीक है. It is easy to say but difficult to follow. Easy to say but difficult to follow. It is easier said than done. It is easier said than done. कहना सरल है, करना कठिन है. I advise you not to use mobile, but when I start using mobile, I forget the time limit and I continue scroll and continue watch reels. I enjoy very much. So I am talking to myself. You have to talk to yourself. Automatically your English will be improved. Okay? शुरुआत कहाँ से करें बोलने की? छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से. जैसे कि मैंने देखा है कि हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब से डायरेक्ट बोल देते हैं. तो कभी बहुत सारी इंग्लिश बोलो